Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the SAROO heating pad, and this one here is the extra large size with instant heat. So let's check this thing out. I'll show you guys what it is and kind of how it works. So that's everything out of the bag. And here is the heating pad. So this is great if you're back, like I know after I go running sometimes. I mean, now it's the summer. Don't really want to heat too much, but the idea is, to heat it up to get your muscles good and stuff like that. In the winter, I do like to use some kind of this stuff before I get running. But here you can see some of these instructions here if you need it. It's got the switch on it, but let's plug it in and give this thing a go. So it comes with a heavy-duty cord. And it looks like you can take it off of here. If you want to, you can unplug it from the pad. But let me plug this back in. Okay. And then we have this one here with the switches, with the little plastic satisfying peeling off of it. Let me open up the wire. It feels nice and heavy duty. I mean, this seems pretty good. Okay, got it plugged in now, and we can push it on there. So we have warm, low, medium, and high, and it has a 2-hour auto shutoff. So there we go. I stuck it on high, and this is what it looks like here. So you can see the full size of it here. It's about, can you? Right there. So like this. So if I'm sitting on the couch or something, I could wrap it around me. Do I feel any heat yet? Let me see. I'm going to wrap it around myself right now. I do feel the heat. I guess it is quick heating because I feel it hot already. Yeah, I can feel when I feel it, and I push against it, I can feel there's the little coils going around it, up and down through it. So it goes this way and then there. So there's like coils up. I guess that's what all these things here is stitching it all in place, right? Because there's nothing here. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, and the edges don't really have it. It's all just where those little dots are. And it is totally hot right now. I think I put it on a high. So, and it is definitely warm. So I don't know if I'd ever use it that high. Because I told it, boy, that was really fast. I don't even know. This video is not even 2 minutes long, and I've already got it heated up. So if you need a heating pad that heats up ridiculously fast, this is the one for you. But really nice and really warm. I totally feel it on my shoulders here. It feels good. Here's a picture on the front. It shows the lady with it on her back. So totally good for your back. You can wrap it around your legs because it's so flexible and everything. So anything you need heat on, you can just wrap it around there and it's good. And then if you did happen to fall asleep or whatever, I guess you're lucky because it'll turn off itself after 2 hours. So nice. Thumbs up.